Hi, my name is Paul Broughton, Area Manager, BOC North Brisbane. Today I'm here to introduce you to the new Smootharc 181 MIG. Okay, now that we've unpacked the unit, we'll see what was inside the box. First of all, we'll start with the operating manual. Very important to read this. It actually has safety precautions and about the machine and what to be aware of. It also has helpful hints in setting up the unit. Then we come to the power source itself, which is a 180 amp MIG machine with a 15 amp input power. We have a Benzol MB15AK MIG gun. We actually have a gas hose that has the quick connect coupler as well as the regulator coupler. This will need assembling when you unpack the unit. We actually have the return lead for the unit. It's actually pre-assembled, so there's no assembly required for that. We have the regulator, which brings the gas from the cylinder to the unit itself. We have the 3 drive rolls, V-groove for solid wire, we have a knurled roller for flux cord, and we have a U-groove for aluminium. Now we'll take a look at the machine, we'll set up and show you some of the features of the machine itself. Okay, now we have the machine set up, we're going to look at what's inside the unit. So when we open the door here, first of all we see where the spool holder is. This spool holder will take the 5 kilo spools as well as the mini spools. To convert them from 5 kilo to mini spool, it's just a matter of undoing the holding nut. We undo the center tensioning nut. We slide that off, the adapter spool off. We can now put the mini spool on, replace it with the items and the retaining spring, like so. And we're set to go. So that's converted to the mini spool. Secondly, we go to the drive roll system itself. The drive roll system is as previous models, nothing's changed there. Matter of unclipping the pressure roll, undo the center nut, and we can exchange the rolls for different types of wire that we're using. Also inside this machine, inside the door, we have instruction manual on how to change the spools over. It has selected settings for different types of wires. It has our roller selection guide, as well as spare parts for the gun. Now we're going to take a look at the front panel of this unit. On the front panel of this unit we have various displays. The first digital display is all about the voltage, displaying what voltage setting we have. Second display is our wire speed as per previous models. This button here gives us the opportunity to switch between standard MIG welding, also pulse MIG welding. The button in the center is our adjustment button. It gives us the opportunity to increase or decrease the wire speed. The volt, being a synergic machine, the volts will follow the machine. We also have the function button. The function button has 3 different functions. First button is to be able to decrease or increase the voltage, to increase or decrease the heat of your weld pool. We hold it again and it gives us the opportunity to increase or decrease the inductance to help smooth the weld pool, reduce spatter, gives us a softer arc. This machine also has the capability of a spool gun option. This machine will actually weld aluminium as well, but we must use 1mm aluminium. Now that we've gone through that, we'll go and do some welding. Today we are using argon as a shielding gas. We'll be using 1mm 5356 aluminium wire. Using pulse mode of this machine, we'll be laying down a 6mm fillet weld on 3mm aluminium plate. Be sure to have the appropriate PPE. Welding gloves, welding helmet with the correct shade lens, fume extraction if inside an enclosed room. Here you can see we've left a nice clean fillet weld. Thank you for watching. Hope you found it informative.
Working with gas is as easy as BOC. Come and see us in store or check us out online.